2, 1, go. 100, brow, 200. Long. Short left 6, 120 at the end there. You can see the sweep for it.
Making sure those brakes are warm.
Yep, sounds good. Short left 5 and a right 4 minus. Again, 5 into 4 minus. Here's our 4 minus, 30. Left 5 minus. Into right 5, 30. Turn square right. 30. Left 4 nips, right 3 plus. 40. Right 5 tightens, 3 plus. 40. Left 5, immediate right 4 minus. Here's 4 minus, 30. Left 4 plus, 60. Brow 30 down, left 3 don't. Opens and tightens. Here's left 3, don't. It opens and tightens. Into right 4. Here's tightens right 4, 80. Caution, short right 4, left 2. Here's short right 4, left 2, 30. Here. Short right 6, flat over brow. Line for 100. Then cut left 2, 120. Right 3, 30. Again, this is a right 3, 30. Flat right over brow, 40. Here's flat right over brow, 40. Then flat left over brow, line for 300. Braking before the marker, maybe left 2 at the junction. Right 6. Here's 6, 80. Short left and right 4, 60. Here's 4, 60. Flat left, right 5 long, it nips late. Here's 5 long, it nips late. Left 4, tightens 30, or opens 30, sorry. Left 4, it opens 30. Here's 4, it opens 30. Short left 6, short right 5. Left 4. Again, 6, 5, 4. Opens and tightens. Here's our left 4. It opens and tightens. Into right 4. 30. Caution slowing left 3 for the delta. Here's our left 3 delta, right 1. Left 2, 35. Short left 30. Short left 6, 40. Right 5, very long. Here's right 5, very long. It opens and tightens, 3 plus. Into left 5, long. It nips late. Here's 5 long, nips late. Brow, right 4, nips. Brow, right 4, nips. Short left 4 plus. Short right 4. Left 3, it opens and tightens. 40. Tightens here, 40. short right 6, 30, right 5. 50 over brow, left 4 plus. Again, 50 over brow, left 4 plus. Here's 4 plus, flat right 35. Flat left, middle over brow, dip, left 6 over brow, and short right 5, into right 5. And here's left 6 over brow, and caution short right 5, into right 5, slowing left 2. 5 into 5, left 2. Into right 6. Here's 6, 40, flat right, 40. Flat over brow. Here's flat right, 40, flat over brow. Flat right, bumps, 30. Flat over brow. Flat right, bumps, 30. Left 2 at the junction. Sorry, a little late on that. Opens tightens 3 down, and right 6. Into right 4 plus. Here's 4 plus 30. Brow, 40. Then brow, flat right. Line for 120. There's line for 120. Flat left, then middle over brow, flat right. Middle over brow, flat right, 30, middle over brow. Then slowing left 2 at the junction. 60. Left 6, right 6. 30. Here's right 6, 30. Right 5. Here's 5. It opens and tightens. Short left, right 6. Here's right 6. Flat left, tighten 6. Caution, slowing. 40, acute right. This tightens 6 for 40. Then acute right. 30. Left 5 plus up. Slowing right 3 into left 3 delta. Again, slowing right 3 into left 3 delta. Acute right. Here's left 3, acute right. Left 2. Opens 5. There's 2, it opens to 5. Then short left 4, it opens and tightens. Short right 5. Left 5, tightens 4. Tightens 4, into right 4, 30. Here's right 4, 30, then right 2 plus. There's our 2 plus, left 4. Tightens 3. There's 4, tightens 3, into left 2, neat. 2, neat. And right 3, 30. Short right 4, nips. Left 3 long, tightens 2. Snips, left 3, long, tightens 2. Tightens 2. Short right 5, opens and tightens. This opens and tightens. Left 5. Short right 30, short right 6. Left 5 plus. Left 5 plus into. Short right 5, left 3 plus. And right 5, left 3 plus here. Opens into right 3. Oh, slow, slow, slow. Right 3, immediate left 2. Brow 70. Brow 80. Dip. Short flat right, flat left. Then dip, short flat right, flat left, 50, brow 70. Then brow right at marker, caution bumps. There's flat right at marker down there. Bumps, brow 50, then brow right 5, 40. Here's right 5 at the end after this brow. There's right 5, 40, slowing right 1 for a delta. This is a 5, 40 after this, then right 1. There's our right 1. Almost that acute left, right 1. Opens to 4, or short left 4, 25. Right 3 minus, opens over 30. Then right 3 plus, into flat right 30. There's flat right 30, short right 6, into left 3 late nips.
Short left 6.
3 late here. Nips, short right 3, then left 4 plus. Left 2 plus. Right 4. Short left 5. Short right 5. Left 3 plus. 30, right 3. Here's right 3, short left 5. Short right 3 plus, left 4. Here's 3 plus, left 4, 30. Right 3, 35, short left. Right 5, caution, and left 3. Here's left 3, flat right, over finish, tightens 4. Long. Whew.
Minus that one hairpin in front of everybody. We got sucked into the ditch and then I had no rotation.
Yeah. Nice, but we pretty much caught these guys, so maybe we'll go in front of them on the next one.